Circular economy leader and sustainability expert with more than 34 years of experience spanning fashion, textile upcycling, design and women's empowerment. She is the founder and CEO of Bunko Junko, a pioneering textile upcycling social enterprise that transforms post-production and surplus fabric
When I
waste
entered
into
this
useful.
college and by seeing all the architectural thing and all that things, it helped me, it took me to my past. So I learned the home science in the SPT college, but I taken the home and home management in that. In that we used to do the architect, designing, plumbing and so many things I have done. And after that I started my journey in the textile, in the garment. So totally different from the interior decorations to these things. But this is what you love to do. You never know what careers you can choose in your life. So today now the sustainability and circularity is a bye bye. Welcome. Bye bye. Go. Great. Welcome. Bye bye. Namaste. I'm not sure. Good again. Welcome. Great. And without knowing anything about upcycling, without doing anything in the life, maybe first time you are taking the